Mi fambule, una cabo. This is not the CEO of RME. On behalf of the Rockmed Empire Entertainment Company, this now our contribution towards the fight against coronavirus.
I'm not gladdy. We all been know waiting past we, and now been really easy for we. So I really want to tell everybody, the sick too bad and too deadly. One thing we found, no prevention is better than cure. So let we take this thing so serious. This sick too fast and dangerous. Ain't no get no vaccine done before. Yeah, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Ooh, yeah. Don't be a victim. Yeah. Corona na killer disease.
If I'm Bologna, listen me. That bad sick don't enter inside salon. Una let we put we hands together. Let's fight against corona, corona, corona. Let's fight against corona, corona, corona. Let's fight against corona.
No criticize and no compromise. You should sanitize your hands. Mupele mu corona, Ebola ye penny amununga do edging. Dailenya bundesia. Mugwe politics in the jima. Dailenya bundesia. Temuya muyewa. Mugbenje penjepe jima. Mulapi ahingbeji. Hingbeji enu muhuoyo. Whether be lele or be go ebe. So yeah, make we fight this thing together, yeah. So we know go lost friends.
I say the signs and the symptoms are cold. It that salt, got a fever where they make you the shiver. So mama and papa not take cat like play. This na virus where they kill quick, no they delay. Precaution is better than cure. Not forget to radio for they listen to we lectures. Yes, any signs no move. Left now you host and phone to doctor. Okay check, say avoid the get the jam and the fala. Oh yeah, say virus CG Itali nuga sawama. Mada kakamamula bila flow. Rockmed Empire say let we stand and fight corona make it blow. Yeah, say the kish be there so ready for fight corona make it go. Yeah,
I know say you like for the by the other man. This not the time we for stop am. Papa government he don't talk am. Corona day, brother sister be caution. Oh yeah, the precaution. Mama, papa, auntie, uncle make you be wise. Hold on, oh you go. The virus he dey kill, we cause tongue he dey kill. This or that he dey kill, no other rate he dey kill. Oh na na, oh na. Salon people hear reward. Now we left for the make like say we deaf. Say na for member back Ebola. It's a mo enter inside salon he be kill we. If I'm Bologna, listen me. That bad sick don't enter inside salon. Una let we put we hands together. Let's fight against corona, corona, corona. Let's fight against corona, corona, corona. Let's fight against corona.
And all say me but not such person. The sick in real and they kill person. No kiss, no ulo even ogada yi cousin. The sick damn too bad and he don't care boku. Holding na me Usman no the pass by in eku. Only get tap am the fen left am. Let we walk very hard and try to make we stop am.
O melo minen. Eku, kon igete genye nyeba. Anfuma su ambok fiat seme Ebola. De tudu lom du pode rapa corona. So anfuma mi you, it's an emtene. Iba ek pa kama ste korane. Epi su korane maste nu opane. Neteli angesi momboli omboti. Maste solo komo
just
kuna
stop it. Now for wash your hands frequently with soap and water or use sanitizer. Too much crowd that beg make we minimize. Now for spread the message so that for Ben at the village. Sensitizer, make I show you how you go know say you get some, you go to cough, you go feel weak, you go tired, you go to breathe, like could I get asthma, pneumonia go enter, you two lungs, you know it's go to run water, you go to sneeze, you go get soaked throat. So now this not time for make we wise up. We all member, Ebola hit we up. Forget about politics, make we come together. Effectively sick, no make stronger stay, die me chill, because the families go end up for missing.
My fellow civilians, let we stand as one and fight though. Corona never sick, and a sick no the pick and choose. It no matter if you black or you white or Yeah, mama, say you be good, you small, oh. Yeah, papa, if you ask me and stop shaking and go up we. Anything you do, you for conscious say yeah. Corona, say it. Yeah, Corona, yeah. Say I can again.
If I'm balloon, listen me. That bad sick don't enter inside saloon. Una let we put we hands together. Let's fight against Corona, Corona, Corona. Let's fight against Corona, Corona, Corona.
Yo.
Let's fight against
Let me take a quick flashback in 2014. Ebola come and go, but me man and do with something. Yeah. Now we talk about COVID-19 and poisonous pass Ebola from here to Beijing. Where you prevent yourself, you don't save another man. Where you're not buying, you not get no me, we not to one. Yeah. Just follow the procedure. They say prevention is better than cure, of that I'm sure. So let we all stay indoors just for be secure from this very dangerous virus we're so impure. Me fumble them just like HIV and AIDS. This bad coronavirus no get any cure, it's hey. So take precaution, hesitate. We go kill this invisible enemy no matter what it takes. We go fight, kill and break this corona. Say na alma LGO they bring na this updates.
Say my fellow Sierra Leoneans, if we believe we go fight them, if we strong we go fight some. Sierra Leoneans, make we fight some. Coronavirus they kill, a bad pass Ebola. Make we put the politics and tribalism. Make we stand and fight this coronavirus. No shake hand, make we wash hand. Or you use the hand sanitizer.
Una le remember Sade, what Ebola be the talking. Una le remember Sade, what Ebola be the talking. Sierra Leoneans, yeah. Una let me wake up. Sierra Leoneans,
yeah.
Una let me wise up.
Hey, left for argue, left for deny, left for argue party man, left for deny. Corona is real, a bad pass Ebola and a killer. So left for flint to your company. Take time when they talk to your company. Left for shake hand with your company. What's hand with soap and
hello man, let we pray, make our police in we. Corona still they kill it like one old family. Let we act fast before it spread fast. And we for the take all the advice when the government get to be. When you sneeze, don't forget for the use your pocket hand. This now advice to all the like and call him or your man. For the wasan every day, not see way for the land. We are put on new marks, make we drive and we land.
If I'm balloon, listen me. That bad sick don't enter inside saloon. Una let we put we hands together. Let's fight against Corona, Corona, Corona. Let's fight against Corona, Corona.
Let's
fight against
this
Corona.
This not bad sick in him. Corona, it dey spread fast, key just like Ebola. If na politics we put bodies, it go mona. Imagine purpose alone, Corona, the world is summer. Stay home, save life for your family. After Corona, we go live life happily. Listen well, body people, let me stay safely. Not forget, pray to God, make it come and help with.
Know how to cover your nose whenever you sneeze. If you cough too much, see a doctor please. Stop the gathering, anytime your body they squeeze. Call on for medical if you feel some symptoms. Cause this virus they damage the throat down to the lungs. Wash your hand and don't forget for use the sanitizer. Listen to care go man, no matter how you wise, yeah. We do this for Sierra Leone to be sensitized, yeah.
Ebola come, Bakuman die. Love we fed this wire for the Bambai. Eastern, Western, any side where you there. Let we put one and pray for the die. And let you be, Mende, Timni, Limba, Loco, let we tap this cry.
Oh yeah, we the big goal, let's stop this cry.
Me mama and papa, me sister and brother. Let we listen presidents, let we know disorder. You are son every day not so bad we they do. The lockdown for 3 days not so bad, but not good. Where you cough, now for cover that you mouth. The virus they spread quick, where you left them out. Not forget to the precaution, let we take them. If you feel sick, your doctor not for tell them.
If I'm balloon, listen me. That bad sick don't enter inside saloon. Una let we put we hands together. Let's fight against Corona, Corona, Corona. Let's fight against Corona, Corona, Corona. Let's fight against Corona. If I'm balloon, listen me. That bad sick don't enter inside saloon. Una let we put we hands together. Let's fight against Corona. Corona, Corona, let's fight against Corona.
A coronavirus is a type of virus that can infect the respiratory tract, meaning the nose, mouth, throat, throat, sinuses, or lungs. There are many types of coronaviruses, and most cause only mild illness, such as the common cold. But some coronaviruses can cause severe illness. The most likely way people can become infected is by droplets that contain the virus. These droplets carry the virus into the air and can enter through the nose, mouth, throat, and lungs of a person who is within 6 feet or 2 meters. The virus infects the lungs, causing the lungs to become inflamed. The alveolar sacs have to be healthy for the body to breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Infection of the virus causes damage to the cells of the lungs and triggers an inflammatory reaction. Fever may develop. With severe inflammation, inflammatory fluid fills the lungs. This reduces the function of the alveoli, resulting in coughing and difficulty breathing. The oxygen level in the blood may decrease. In some people who become severely ill, other organs may be affected, such as the kidneys or the heart.